Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here in, well, it's still a nice day outside today. 45 degrees, cloudy. It's not terribly cold, but it's, I would like some sunshine. We got Kombu, T-H-I-S-T-Y. Fisty in the chat. What's going on? Kombu. Nelson channel. Kombu, Nelson. Dark bro. Kombu, Tim, Gary, Kombu. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out and see. That's not the market. Oh my goodness. Look at that again, would ya? Make sure to go out to Amazon, guys. Check out the bro merch out there. Bitcoin sitting at, well, we're going to start in the top left. AMC sitting at $7.17 to close today. Down 3.5%. Is that the all-time low? 705 is the all-time low. All right, 717 today. Looks like it's getting ready to hit an all-time low tomorrow. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 852 points per coin. GameStop sitting at 1281. Bitcoin sitting at $37,513 right now. It has been volatile today, to say the least, but it is up 0.76% at the moment. The Nasdaq sitting at 14,284. AMC 717. You got GameStop sitting at 1281. Dogecoin 7.9 cents. Ethereum sitting at $2,032. Almost said 20. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 852 points per coin. Bitcoin 37,523. The SPY sitting at 454. QQQ 390. Do you guys realize that we are hitting annual highs? And do you guys realize that we are not even, oh my gosh, 391 to 403, 13 points on. We're like 3 or 4% away from all-time highs being hit on the Nasdaq. We are no longer in a bear market. Guys, we are here. I mean, imagine if we would have just pulled back. Imagine if we would have just pulled back to here. This is not bear market right here. This is just a little dip. I mean, if you're looking at the Nasdaq right now, we made it through. That is insane to think that if you're looking at the Nasdaq right now, we have recovered all of the losses that we have sustained. And if you dollar cost average down a little bit, you are better off now than you've ever been before. Insanity to think about it that way, man. It truly is crazy because my portfolio is not where it was back in 2021. Mullen Auto is sitting at 18 cents. Sundial sitting at $1.53. Netflix is 474 points per coin. My gosh, $474. Highcroft Mining sitting at 216. MPW 484. Tesla 235. Amazon. Tesla really stayed in this range all day today, didn't it? Yes, it did. Amazon, $146.13. Apple, $191.45. So close to reaching all-time highs on Apple. Keep your eyes on that one there. The overall market bouncing nicely today. Bitcoin bouncing nicely today. We're going to keep our eyes on Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen right here. Hopefully, it gets a little bit of a bounce and can break through that $38,000 mark. I saw your comment up there. I do not have any other YouTube channels at the moment. Nelson channel. I thank you for asking in case you did want to subscribe to those. And then as far as what I did prior to doing YouTube videos, I don't typically talk about that too much because I don't want to give anybody some sort of an idea that I know any more than just some guy that's on YouTube, and you should have any sort of a reliance on anything that I say whatsoever. Let it be entertainment purposes only, and challenge my knowledge if you would like. Let's see. Had to go to the post office. Very nice, Dark Bro. Excuses, Kombu. I already went to the post office. There you go, Kombu. Tim, man, good afternoon to you. We got QQQ, who put me in timeout during the ScarJo discussion on a live video last week. Seriously. A few of us were talking about it. I have no idea, Gary. No idea whatsoever, man. Bro, wanted to buy a hoodie, but you only go to 2XL. Well, Gary, that's all Amazon has in stock. So I know some people, they require 2 or 3X, 4X, and so on, but you might have to go with t-shirt. So it is like a merch on demand where Amazon takes their stock all over the world, and whatever they got in their warehouse closest to you, they print on it and they get it to you the very next day if you got Prime. So if Amazon does not have anything above 2X in stock, at least at the moment, I would hope that they kick up their quantities a little bit during the Christmas time. But if they don't, man, I believe the t-shirts go all the way up to 6x. So if you want to grab a t-shirt, or, you know, if you wanted to try a 2x, you can try a 2x. But I mean, if you know it's not gonna fit you, dude, then I mean, you know what fits you, right? So you want to get a t-shirt, the t-shirts go up to about 6x, I believe. But thank you very much, dude. Honestly, thank you very much for wanting to grab a hoodie. It's the thought that counts, right, guys? Be like, crap on a stick. Well, Kombu, that's better than crap off of a stick. Gotta love the shameless merch shilling. Well, you got to. Tim, I'm telling you, man, you gotta love the shameless merch shilling. I should be able to shill some merch every now and then, right? Once or twice a live stream would be good enough. What is this merch you speak of? Dark Bro. Oh my gosh. Did you see it on the screen? I bet you did. Clay Bro is a seat holder of the SEC. Yeah, right, dude. I'm not on the SEC. If I was on the, if I had a board or a seat anywhere on the SEC or worked for the SEC, yeah, I probably wouldn't tell you guys. But, dude, there's no way that I'd be able to deal with that. There's literally no way. There's so many companies and institutions and organizations out there that are just utter crap. And there's literally no way that I would be able to work there, right? It's just, I mean, if you think about it, man, it's bad enough that like, I don't necessarily bite my tongue on a lot of the stuff that I would like to say on YouTube. I'm able to get around it. You guys know I don't use, you know, bad language or anything, so I don't have an issue with that. Some of the stuff that I feel a little weird saying, like, you know, the C word in terms of the illness that was out there, because YouTube wants to demonetize anybody that spreads misinformation or whatever. So I do tiptoe around some subjects. But could you imagine working for an organization that literally went against your beliefs and your views, and then not only did you have to, like, succumb to things that you didn't believe in, you had to promote them? Nah, dude, that is complete and utter nonsense. So, yeah, no thanks on that one. I did not and would not work for the SEC. Why are people talking about XRP to $10,000? That is $537 trillion market cap. Is that possible? No. So, Giovanni, we are not going to see XRP with a $537 million or trillion dollar market cap. Very sorry what I said million, because it's obviously way above million. I really don't know why they talk about $10,000 XRP. That would be like Bitcoin going to $50 million a coin, right? Almost seems like it's people just making up numbers. Very similar to, well, AMC is going to reach $1 million a share. $500,000 floor, $100,000 floor on AMC, and here we are at 70 cents. So it's most likely people just making up numbers so that they hope they can take their one XRP and have a lot of money one day. It's not going to be a $500 trillion coin. With that being said, right, even if all of the money in the world transacted in XRP, we wouldn't reach $537 trillion valuations. Dude, if you add all of the US dollars in the world together, I think it's something stupid like $2 trillion in cash that we've got out there. That's it. I think it's like $2 trillion in cash that's floating around. Might be a little more. It might be a little more than that, since they printed so much in 2020. But yeah, dude, this entire idea of wealth is just IOUs. That's all it is. And I owe you this, I owe you that. There's literally not enough dollars in the world to cash out. So, no, we're not going to see some sort of a $537 trillion valuation on XRP, even if it was the only cryptocurrency or the only currency denominated across the globe. It wouldn't be $537 trillion. A 2x wouldn't even fit on my bicep. Gary, a 2x would fit on your bicep if you fit into a 3x, man. You know that it would. You know it would. Look, dude, if you wear a large, you could wear a tight medium. If you wear an extra large, you could wear a tight large, man. Come on now. If a 2x won't fit on your bicep, I'm pretty sure you need to start going 4 or 5x, dude. Stop cutting into the 3x's. Stock market is only $112 trillion evaluation. Exactly. Giovanni, when you start to put that into perspective, I have no idea why people begin to believe that you could see such ridiculous valuations on single cryptocurrencies, right? Single cryptocurrencies. And Giovanni, I think you're talking about the global stock market. If you look at the U.S. stock market, you're only looking at like between a 40 and 50 trillion dollar valuation. So I think you might be talking like total global companies, like not just U.S. Sound, got it back. Had no sound earlier. Roulette wheel, I'm glad you got it back because I was hoping mine was working. All the alphabet boys, or the SEC, oh bullcrap. Yeah, guys, there's your little bull. SEC, FBI, ATF, IRS, CIA. I can keep going. Not the BROs, man. The BROs are better than the alphabet boys. We're the bros, baby. LOL, the people who claim the $10,000 XRP, the amount of supply versus circulation versus the current market for people willing to invest in crypto, it may hit 10,000 in 250 years. Okay, so yeah, Gary, you're right on that. Let me give you a situation where you actually could see $10,000 XRP, and literally the only way that you're going to see $10,000 XRP, unless they burn like 99.9% of the supply, right? Like that's a possibility, but that's not going to happen. Hyperinflation. Okay? Hyperinflation and almost the destruction of the US dollar, you could see $10,000 XRP. So, if you're looking at it that way, picture you are Argentina or Venezuela, or I don't know how bad Turkey's off right now, but imagine being one of these countries, right, where inflation is just 150, 200% month over month. Your currency is literally worth less than half of what it was last month. So in that situation, you could reach $10,000 XRP very quickly. You go to Venezuela, you go to Argentina, and you're sitting there, you're earning in pesos. And all of a sudden, you earned a peso at the beginning of the year, and maybe it bought you a hot dog. Well, dude, by the end of the year, you need like 8,000 pesos to buy a hot dog because inflation has it's just run rampant. That situation, you could see $10,000 XRP if we fell into a hyperinflationary period where the dollar became worthless, very similar to Argentine and Venezuelan pesos. It could happen in that sense. Be careful, you hit a windfall in crypto. The IRS might find that comment and charge you triple in capital gains tax. Forget the IRS, man. 6'2", 320. So you're saying you're a big boy, Gary. You're saying you're a big boy. God, dude, 6'2". You guys are all huge, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie. You guys are all huge. It's crazy. 6'2", 320 is just you're stacked, man. My gosh. Yeah, I would say you probably would. 320, you're probably gonna need a 3X for sure. The 6'2", you could get away with the 6'2" with like probably an extra large. But the 320, that's going to take you. That's going to take you, man. Yeah, the 2X might be a little small. I'd say like 2X, you'd probably need to be like 260 for the 2X. Guys think like 260 for the 2X. They're accountants, not sharpshooters. That they are, man. I don't want them to come after me either, so let's be nice to them. Google says U.S. stock market is $112 trillion. I'm pretty sure Google's wrong on that one. Google always tells me like 40 to 50. Where you looking, man? Where you looking? It says data as of the second quarter 2023, numbers may not total 100 due to rounding. Today, U.S. equity markets total over $46 trillion in market cap, but then this is talking about the $109 trillion global stock market in one chart. So I'm not sure what you Googled to get that there, but even this one here, this one talks about the total market capitalization of the U.S. stock market is currently, this is as of June 30th, right? So we have gone up. but $46 trillion here. Now, all of these stocks haven't doubled in price since June 30th. Market capitalization, they don't give you a number there, no number there. $65 trillion. That's the global domestic equity market. Let's see. All right, 2020 market capitalization in the United States was $40 trillion. So I think it's somewhere around this number right here, man. This $46 trillion. The global market might be at about $109 trillion right now, but U.S. $46 trillion. Apple is $125 trillion. Yeah, dude. And you got some huge companies out there, right? You get some huge companies just absolutely eating up the vast majority of that market cap, too. Taking a bit of a hit. Let's take out. I want to see Celestia, man, because Celestia was at like $650 when we looked at it earlier, wasn't it? Massive shout out to everyone, especially our personal host, Clay. Thank you very much, Will Major. And so I was actually looking at. Let me ask you guys this, and like dead serious. I know all of you guys don't want to burn anything, and you're not all into Shiba Inu coin and so on, but I was looking into combining like Amazon with Shopify and all of that. So if you combine your stuff on Shopify, not only would I be able to like also sell it on TikTok, but I could accept cryptocurrency for payments as well. So if you were to go out and buy a hoodie, right, would it be cooler for you to burn that cryptocurrency by spending Shiba Inu coin? Or do you not really care if you spend dollars or Shiba Inu coin as long as something gets burned? Because if I use like BitPay or something like that, I can even add in how much cryptocurrency I want to go to the burn wallet and all of that stuff as well. So just wanted to throw it out there that it might be an option if I set up a Shopify account and link it to the Amazon account. Of course, I could sell the merch. Amazon still prints it, gets it out to you. But through Shopify, you can still accept, you can link up BitPay and stuff like that. Let's see. I miss the good old days. Playing Fallout and bottle caps was the main currency. Bottle caps, dude. Those would be the good old days, wouldn't they? Trump trinket choice. Or is it cologne? I can't remember. Nobody can, man. Let's see. Saucer swap. Have you heard about it? Bree guy. I have not, but didn't somebody post something in the Discord about saucer swap? Stock market cap tells you that in no way XRP will reach $10,000 a coin unless, of course, hyperinflation hits and the dollar is worthless. Let's see. Good afternoon, Clay and fellow bros. Short work week. Boom! Pretty sure market is going to be open. We might do one stream on Friday. But yeah, stock market is typically closed on Thanksgiving, guys. So we'll most likely not live stream. We'll have videos, yes, but we'll most likely not live stream on Thanksgiving. Just to let you guys know. So it will be a short week overall. Ooh, man. Bitcoin coming back down. This is interesting. Bitcoin coming back down, not as low as it was earlier, but Shiba Inu coin getting hit pretty decent right here. Tapping down to 836 at the moment. Might be falling through 850 hard here and potentially coming down to test 800 points per coin. So watch out for that. Crypto is pulling back a little bit. I want to see where Celestia is. Giovanni mentioned Celestia. Oops, didn't mean to click on that. Let's go over here and see what we got going on with Celestia right now. TIA. Is it pulling back? It is pulling back a little bit. Celestia falling down 10% on the day today. Still, $6.16 is excellent for Celestia, knowing that this is the monthly graph right here. Right, monthly graph going down from $2 all the way up to $6. I would watch out for this. Put it on the hourly chart and take a look at what you got here. Okay, zoom out just a little bit. If you look at this trend line, right, since it took off, this is basically what you've got right here. Touching these lows all the way up. It was trending sideways and had a decent level of horizontal support at that like 650 level. You can see that here. Tapping, tapping, tapping. But with this decline right here, not only have we broken that ascending trend line, we may have broken the horizontal trend line as well. So now Celestia going to look for support in this area right here at about $6 flat. If it falls through that, Celestia be coming down and testing like $5. If it falls through that, it might be touching $3.90, $4. If it falls through that, I would expect it to come all the way back down to here. So just keep an eye on it, man, that it might be curling back over now. And especially if Bitcoin begins to decline, Celestia's probably going to decline as well and end up on a downturn. Wow, finally able to make one of the live streams. I was going through Claybro withdrawals. Suzuki, man, glad to have you in here. Appreciate you, dude. Let's see. I got out early today, and I'm enjoying my third double Jameson nest. I have no idea what that is, but good deal. I believe in projects like Celestia, and you can create your own crypto on X. Has a good explanation with pictures. Dude, the easier they make it, Giovanni, the better it is going to be. I think the 430 ad should be bypassed for all the merch chilling going on. The 430 ad should only be bypassed for all the merch chilling going on if somebody actually goes out there and buys something from Amazon. That'll definitely bypass it for sure. By the way, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to you, Suzuki. Shib reduction would mean that everyone wins in Shib. And Clay, you win with more than 3 million followers in Shib. And reducing the supply would potentially help everybody. Yes, it would, man. I would love it if all 3 million people went out there and bought a Shiba Inu coin t-shirt. That would be epic, man. That would be epic. You know what I should do? Let me ask you this, Will. Should I strictly leave it Shib, or should I put a bro logo on the shirt somewhere and have it like a bro Shib type deal? Bro is burning Shib, or should it simply be, because I'm wondering about that, man. I'm wondering if I should put the bro logo on there so people know that it's burnt Shib. You know what I mean? Like, it's not just a Shiba Inu coin t-shirt, that they know that bro burnt Shib right there. WSM has me feeling burnt for buying into it. With all of the volatility happening in the last 3 months, the thing has not moved. Yeah, dude. Let's see where Wall Street memes are. Oh, no, I'm just typing WSM. Wall Street memes at 143. Let's go. Ooh, yeah. I feel a little bit jaded as well, dude. If you bought into Wall Street memes at the beginning of October or end of September here, and it's just come down a little bit and sat sideways, knowing that the rest of the cryptocurrency market during this time is up like 100% in a lot of these other coins, that would have me feeling pretty bad. But at the same time, dude, it's still maintaining a $40 million market cap. It's still doing $24 million a day in volume. These are big numbers. So I don't think it's necessarily falling off yet and like dying as a coin or anything like that. It's still doing massive amounts of volume and maintaining decent market caps at $40 million. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned about it, completely dying out or anything like that. But yeah, it would probably annoy me a little bit as well. I originally bought Celestia at $2.39, bought more nearly at $7, average cost $4.15. Giovanni, still holding? You plan on holding it for a long time? You gonna trade it and try to get back in if it drops back down a little bit? Being at $6 a coin, dude, you're still making 50% right there, which is excellent, man. So 50% gain is absolutely awesome. Question is, do you hold or do you fold? Let's see here. What is total? TVL is total value locked. Okay, Saucer Swap just passed Sushi Swap. So that would mean that the total amount of money kind of locked in or staked in to these exchanges is higher on Saucer Swap than it is on Sushi Swap, which is interesting because I never hear anybody talking about Saucer Swap. And Sushi Swap is kind of like an OG. It's been around for a while. It's just another Pancake Swap, Ether Swap, Uniswap, all of these things. So it's just another decentralized exchange. But interesting that Saucer Swap, which I don't really know about, would have passed Sushi Swap there. Lego my ego. Always Lego my ego, man. Wasted a whole Ethereum on that crap. I don't even know which coin you're talking about right there. If you're talking about Wall Street memes, man. I hope that it jumps back up. Jaded, look at VIT. They appeared, shilled, and Oh, that's the Vegas Inu, right? That's the Vegas Inu. Yeah, dude, we haven't looked at Vegas Inu in like a week. Let's see where Vegas Inu is at. Yeah, they've been slowly, at least it hasn't rugged or anything like that, but it has slowly been fading. I mean, they were jumping in here back, one of these 2 days when everything was ripping higher and looking good, but Vegas Inu is slowly hitting lower highs, and you guys can see, I mean, it is following this trend line right here almost perfectly. So touching these lower highs and falling down. The good news is, oh man, I don't even want to, yeah, we haven't really broke out of that downtrend yet. So I would be a little cautious of that. Every time that it seems to want to bounce or find a floor, bounces a little, ends up falling. Might be bouncing a little here, but it'll end up falling as well. So I'd be a little bit cautious of Vegas Inu right now. It's only done $243 in volume over the last 24 hours. And its market cap is dropping to $891,000, which is still very high. Okay, that's still very high. But $243 in volume is a very low volume day. So I'd be a little bit cautious about Vegas Inu there. Kalani, 21 months of bro. What is going on, Kalani? 24 months, creeping up, baby. Yes, it is, Kalani. So glad to have that green name, dude, for 21. You guys are absolutely awesome, man. I hope you know that. 21 months is a long time. 24 months, Mr. Normus and J-Bones, dude, like 29, 30 months of bro. You guys are incredible. And I seriously, I mean, I want to say thank you, but I can't say thank you enough. So I hope you guys know that. Suzuki, I dumped Shib at a little bit of a profit. Split my profit between Pepe and Floki. Well, dude, hopefully both of those, not even just one of them, hopefully both of those end up ripping for you. Luke says, why is NVIDIA still ripping? MicroStrategy is doing pretty amazing too. Is it too late to invest in these stocks? Luke, no. It's not too late to invest in these stocks, man. MicroStrategy is going to be heavily connected to Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is going to be doing very well when Bitcoin is doing very well. So, if you believe Bitcoin is going to continue moving higher, MicroStrategy is going to continue moving higher. As far as NVIDIA is concerned, with AI continuing to grow, with cryptocurrency mining, I don't know if it's necessarily going to be there, but with VR and all of the computer games that are going to be coming with metaverses and all of this, NVIDIA still has a lot of room to grow. Absolutely. So I don't know if NVIDIA is sitting above $500 a share or not right now. All right, NVIDIA's at $504, hitting all-time highs right here and absolutely ripping. So this is a level of resistance. Will it continue on and just break on beyond this? I don't know. But this is very, very similar to the graphs you're seeing in Apple, to the graphs you're seeing in the NASDAQ, to the graphs you're seeing in a lot of tech stocks right now. Bouncing up very, very quickly over the last 3 weeks and potentially getting ready to break all-time highs and absolutely rip out. NVIDIA is looking stronger than ever. It's sitting on a $1.25 trillion market cap and has no technical resistance on the chart whatsoever because it is hitting these all-time highs. Some people would call it chasing, right? And it might be chasing. You might want to be a little bit more cautious. But with no technical resistance to stop NVIDIA from moving higher, it's only going to be people's emotions that bring it down. So, or of course, they could have a bad earnings report. It's either going to be fundamentals or people's emotions that end up bringing NVIDIA down from where it's at right now. Anytime someone says, why should you invest in a token, and they only say community, it's time to run. They are saying, please be my exit liquidity. Now, in the same sentence, Brian, I do believe that Shiba Inu coin is a very strong community, man. 21 months or longer than 2 of my marriages last. Look at that one right there, man. You guys are bros longer than two attempts of marriage. It's very nice. I don't know if that's great, but it's good for the bros. Let's put it that way. I'm looking to dump Shib, but I'm hoping it goes up during the upcoming bull run. At this point, I'm looking to dump it at 4 zeros and an 8 minimum all-time highs, man. All-time highs. Dude, that would be beautiful. If we jump back up 10x from where we are, that would be beautiful. Only meme coins I have is Shiba Inu and Doge, but those two are used as currency. Very, very nice, Giovanni. Click, non-bias. Everyone will know to buy Shib to take advantage of Claybro supporting Shib's reduction plan. This will help everyone to do the same idea. Will, did that answer the question of whether or not you think I should put the bro logo somewhere on those Shib shirts? Or not, because I think that I really want to do it. I was thinking about it today, and I was thinking about making a couple different Shib designs, you know. I was thinking about the Shiba Inu coin logo with some flames around it. I was thinking about the Shiba Inu coin logo, maybe wearing a Santa hat. You know, people might want that. You know, if you got a family that's kind of Shib community, right, they believe in it or whatever, dude, they might want to go grab some matching t-shirts and put a little Shiba Inu coin with a Christmas hat on, and that's what they have, their matching Christmas outfits, right? So I completely understand the dedication to Shiba Inu coin there, and I was having a few different ideas today that I thought would be cool. I just didn't know if I probably will accept Shiba Inu coin for them, because that sounds a little better too when you accept Shib for them. What is the end game with Pepe? Been holding 100 million, and they more or less just collect dust. Gary, the end game is going to be whether or not they get bull market euphoria. Simple as that, dude. I think it's just another meme coin that did very, very well, very, very fast. And it's going to be remembered. You know, that performance is going to be remembered when people are confident in crypto again and beginning to pour their money into anything and everything. But I think that that's what the end game is, dude. Just how well it's able to perform during the next bull market. Community is important. I'm just saying. It could be Brian, you're absolutely right, man. I know you are. NVIDIA earnings this week too, right? Kalani, very, very light. It could be. Let's see. I don't know when NVIDIA earnings are. On the daily, yeah. So they haven't had earnings since August 23rd, which November 23rd could very well be there. Well, it's probably not going to be November 23rd because that's Thanksgiving. So, yeah, it is likely that they got earnings either this week or next week, depending on the holiday. Because earnings came out August 23rd here. So, that would put it at November 23rd. But that's Thanksgiving. So, I don't know if NVIDIA has earnings this week or not. Hope all of the bros have a beautiful Turkey Day, Thanksgiving. Yes, Komu, thank you very much for 13 months of bro, man. Loving that. And all of the bros are going to have the best Turkey Day ever, man. Yes. Tim, you speaking from experience? I missed on something there. I should have some black bro shades and a bro shirt with symbol. Oh, man. Yeah, but the Shiba Inu coin logo doesn't have a body. Where do I put the shirt on a bodiless Shib? Dude, I wonder if I could get. Yeah, dude, I wonder if I could get AI to do a decent picture of a Shiba Inu. And I wonder what that would come out looking like with Amazon printing it. If you could do AI to get a cool Shiba Inu, and then I could just put the bro logo on his shirt. Ooh, yeah. That's interesting, man. That's interesting. I'll have to see about that. Clay, the 21st. Oh, so it's tomorrow, man. Kalani, very good. Makes sense that they're doing it Tuesday as opposed to wait until Wednesday or Thursday, because nobody's going to be paying attention to anything. Guys, typically Thanksgiving week is a very, very slow week for the stock market. I'm actually surprised that we had 1% gains today in the overall market with the QQQ up 1+%. And then Apple and NVIDIA doing very well, Amazon doing very well, even Tesla bouncing back today. I'm actually surprised we had such strong gains today, because this is a slow week, and prepare for it, because people are going to get, well, it's going to seem like it, they're not necessarily, but people are going to get very lazy over the next 5 weeks leading into the new year. People begin preparing for the holidays, right? Between Thanksgiving and New Year's, everybody's kind of like in end of the year mode, Christmas mode. So hopefully you guys still continue showing up for the live streams and all that. But when it comes to like total volume and stock market activity, people tend to get a little lazy or holiday themed during this time of year. Hey, you should have Shiba Inu Bro logo on the same shirt, like a Shib logo inside the O in the bro. Oh, I could do that. But if I'm gonna make it like about Shiba Inu coin, I would actually rather have the Shib be bigger than the bro. But it would be pretty cool to have just a little Shib logo in the O as well. Rip eardrums. D-mans, baby. D-mans. You gotta pay attention when people send them turkeys. You gotta pay attention, dude. Humbu been raising a turkey all year. He's on his last days. Oh my god, dude. This guy, man. This guy. Guy's about to go kill a turkey, and he's telling us all right now. Happy Thanksgiving. Will Major, you as well, man. Let's go Shiba Inu and Luna Classic, 1 cent by the end of 2024. Patrick, dude. Dude, I wish so bad that one of these coins would just rip. I really do, man. I wish so bad that one of these coins would just rip. Dude, I want to just... I want it to happen so bad, man. I don't know about you guys. It's about time. Bro, keychains are coming along nicely. Very nice. Dark Bro, isn't it cool that you just like push a button, man, and your 3D printer starts printing off those keychains? To me, that's sweet. Or you could put bro with a Shiba logo beneath it. Yes, that would be sweet as well. Yeah, I could do that. That one would actually be very easy to do. Because I've already got the bro. I could just put the Shib logo right below it. I went over to check, oh my gosh, for a couple of dates, and didn't take long to run away from that mess. Brian, you're a smart guy, man. You're a smart guy. Diamond Shib design on the shoulder, if you so desire, to put on all of your merch. Unfortunately, I would love to put something on the shoulder, but for some reason, and I don't know why, Amazon doesn't print on the shoulder. I can only print on the front or the back. Amazon, for some reason, does not print on the shoulder, and I have no idea why they don't do that. Something I noticed in the market, it seems big caps like Apple, today's volume is quite lower relative to what I've seen in the past week. And yeah, you know, Apple did do very well today. I wasn't looking at the volume, but, yeah, so it has been. The volume, the stock has been going up in price, but volume has been trending down over the last, I don't know, 2 weeks here. Maybe 3 weeks. Since the beginning of November. Been trending down and touching, what was the volume today? 46 million compared to some days that were like 49, 70 million there. 63 million. So, yeah, today was a little bit lower in volume, even though a more recent high was being hit. Could simply be because people are getting a little bit more nervous that we're reaching these higher highs now and almost touching an all-time high and expecting a pullback at these levels somewhere. I mean, look, we broke through this level of resistance. We are now getting ready to touch the lower end of these candles right here, these all-time highs, which could lead to a pullback in Apple. So people might be showing a little bit of caution. Or it could simply be because it is a holiday weekend or holiday week, and people are already getting used to, I guess, turkey mode and holiday mode. Nobody reminded me that it was 4:39 already. So despite Tim's plea for no ad, I am going to hit you guys with an ad. And don't forget to buy bro merch as well. Been a dream of mine, Brian. Dark Bro, I missed something, man. Let's see something. Heck yeah, my break even on Solana is 30.87. Very nice, Kalani. Kalani's doing very good on Solana. I wish I could have gone into Cashapp, but the whole ETH back when it was 3 cents when I bought. Now I'm broke. I only have bro merch money left. Suzuki. That's gonna be the best Christmas presents you could get, man. You see these cryptocurrencies, man. They come and they go. They take your money and they run. But the bro merch hoodie is gonna be with you forever. Let's see. 8-ball question. Will Tectonic break higher than Shiba Inu coin? I don't know if this guy's talking about market cap or total price, but let's see here. Will Tectonic break higher than Shib? The answer is, wow, not too good for Shib, but The answer is just a very easy, well, it's yes. Oh, now it flipped over. But the answer was a very easy yes, Tim. Just a nice, simple yes. The 8 ball never gives nice, simple yeses. So, yeah, that one, whew. I guess that one working out in your favor on there. That one there, Tim. Let's see. That would be amazing. Well, dude, the 8 ball answers yes on that. No igno, no igno, no igno, no igno. Where are we at here? No igno? No igno who? Oh, Kleber, are you going to do Friday AM live for Pat's day off? That's what I'm not ignoring there. All right, I see it. Yeah, if the market is open on Friday, there's a very good chance that I will do a morning live. I'm pretty sure the market typically has like a shortened trading day on Black Friday. So if that's the case, yes. If the market is closed, however, hopefully I can make an exception and still go live. But yeah, I don't know if I plan on doing an afternoon one because the market does typically close early on Black Friday. So as of right now, the plan is yes. Hey, Christmas season for Apple, Cyber Monday for Amazon. Like Christmas season for Apple, Cyber Monday for Amazon. Yeah, dude, Cyber Monday is gonna be very, very good for Amazon, man. But crap, dude. That's coming up on this Monday, right? I need to get that stuff uploaded now, then, if these people are going to be taking advantage of Cyber Monday deals. Ooh! All right, I'm going to have some work cut out for me this evening, then. Yeah, dude. Hopefully, I can get the designs uploaded and then get a Shopify store hooked up to an Amazon and then rip from there, man. All right, we can make that happen. Will's got a good idea there with the Cyber Monday. Everybody's going to be looking for it on Amazon this weekend. Oh, boy. Let's see. Xmas Dollarama shopping going on as well. Usually asleep, but the market is so weird today. So much movement. I'm expecting something big. The challenge channel. Hopefully we get something big, dude. My friend persuaded me into buying Bonk. Seen an all-time high yesterday. Pulling back now. Caesar, when did you get in? Because, oh my gosh. Dude, if you got into Bonk anytime that it was, like, low, if you bought into Bonk last month, dude, you got to be loving life right now. I mean, Bonk over the last month has been insane. Bonk, dude, yeah, all-time stinking high, man. Look at this. Bonk ripping all the way back up. Ripping all the way back up to these all-time highs right here, above like 40 points per coin or whatever this is. 400 points, 40 points per coin. Ripping all the way back up here. Look at this monthly gain, dude. Dude, 20x gains over the last month here. Oh my gosh, dude. 20x gains over the last month. Pulling back, yes. But let me see if Solana's pulling back. I haven't looked at Solana today. Solana pulling back a little bit as well today. Down 6.70% right now. Curling over on the month, curling over as well. But Solana's still looking okay. It hasn't really broken this ascending trend line. Might be trying to break it at the moment. But still looking pretty solid at $56 a coin. Bonk, though, dude. Just be careful with Bonk. All right? Be careful with Bonk. If you got in anywhere on these bounces here, you got to be doing very well. Bonk's been performing way too good not to. Let's see. Market. Pat is open. Now, that's what I'm talking about, Moji. If Pat is open, we are all open. Pat Bros in here. No. He can get in here on Friday. He's got Friday off. In observance of Thanksgiving Day, all U.S. major stock exchanges will be closed on Thursday, November, and will close early, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, on Friday, November 24th, 2023. All right, that's what I thought was going to happen with it, Kalani. Thank you very much for verifying that right there. So, yeah, most likely, dude, we will do a morning live stream on Black Friday there, and then just end. Most likely, right? I don't have any plans to go shopping on Black Friday or anything, so... You didn't congratulate Kombu for 13 months. I had to have congratulated Kombu for 13 months when I said, Kombu! When he said, hope everybody has a nice turkey day. Kombu, man, I got you with that, right? Let's see. Looking out for HRM tokens release. The stock market will be open and close early, 1 p.m. Friday. Got you, 775 Brie guy. Thank you very much for that. Hit that likey button, peoples. Listen to Suzuki. And click that like button, guys. Bonk. New on Uphold. Really? How is Bonk just now getting listings? Bonk should have gotten all the listings back here when it originally ripped up. Dude, I don't know. Like, this is a very exciting graph right here. This just goes to show you that even coins like Pepe and stuff like that, you know, even if they go down, this coin literally went down all year long and spent a year going down, and then boom, nobody's losing money on Bonk right now. I mean, technically you could be losing money on Bonk if you bought in here. I don't know. You bought in here, you're down 20% right now. Technically, if you bought in earlier today. But if you bought in any time earlier than today, you are making money on Bonk, which has to be a good feeling, because it ripped so hard and it's getting ready to touch, it did touch some all-time highs and could be getting ready to break out even further, unless, of course, it curls way down. Suzuki 9 days, bro. Definitely make it known. Very good. Let's see. Kalani just got the same notification from Weeble. I did, probably at the same time. 775 Brie guy. We probably all got the same notification from Weeble at the same time. Wait, are you going to do videos on Turkey Day? We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. So, yes, Gary, I will be doing videos on Thursday, man. Brian Searing, thank you very much for the super chat. Brian says, "Hey Clay, wanted to give a 2-week update on my Paul Swap ETH Uniswap liquidity pair. $420 of returns on the 10,000 I provide." Dang, dude. 4%, 4.2% in 2 weeks. That is not bad at all, man. 4% every 2 weeks, dude. You're ripping like 8% a month. That's not bad at all, Brian. That's actually pretty solid. Brian, you gotta break that down a little bit more, man. So what are you doing? Are you staking Paul Swap? Or where are you getting at? Because that is absolutely incredible, man. Congratulations on those returns. I hope that stays in forever, dude. I hope that stays intact forever. By the end of the year, you know, you've got all your money back. That would be incredible, dude. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat as well. Dark Bro says 9 days until the release of Honorarium, guys. Also, don't forget to smash that like button like a king. Absolutely. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one. And Brian, break that down a little bit. That's with low volumes as well. Dude, I mean, I think those numbers are awesome. So let us know what exactly you're doing there to make 4.5% in 2 weeks. If you make that every 2 weeks, dude, you're going to be ripping. You're going to have all your money back in less than a year. More banks are lining up with XRP. 2024 is going to be big after April and May of 2024. Dude, I hope the market just rips. I hope it rips, man. Timmy! Thank you very much for one green name and forgot my cup. Grabbing that green name from Tim. Sorry, him, yes, Tim as well. If forgot my cup, man, if you're in here, please say thank you to Tim. Everybody else that is in here, please say thank you to Tim. Ooh, forgot my cup is in here. I like it, man. Everybody else, please say thank you to Tim as well. Shout out, man, for the green name there. I love it when you guys got everybody in here with green names. Jesse Trinidad still rocking that gray name, though. Forgot my cup with a green name now. We need to get Jesse a green name. Crochet for beginners as well. What is AMC Stock? What is it? It's the movie theater, right? Everybody wanted a short squeeze for several years. And now here we are. Now here we are 2 years later, and you can see we've gone from $400 post-split numbers down to $7. This is the equivalent of like $70 down to 71 cents. 71 cents. Adam Aaron has ripped the shares and ripped the value and ripped the money out of retail investors' pockets for the last 2 straight years, declining the stock price and ruining retail investors. So that's what AMC is. It's currently at $7.19 after hours. Fredo, you keep calling yourself Michael. I'm Michael. Fredo, you fumbled the gun and you let Don get shot. Kindly take a look at SLP, Smooth Love Potion. Let me know in the details. All right, Steve? Steve? Sounds like a different guy that I know. It sounds like it might be a little Ryan. Oh, man. Is it Ryan or Steve? Now nobody knows. Steve! Thank you very much for the super chat. Let's check that out here. Steve, Michael, Ryan, whatever the heck you are, man. Let's check out Smooth Love Potion really quick and see what we got going on there. Smooth Love Potion actually down in value over. Oh my god, Smooth Love Potion doing very well today. But I was saying down in value greatly from the all-time highs that were hit. So over the last day, a beautiful 18% rally. This is huge. I don't know why it's jumping 18% today. But the last week, looking good. The last month, looking great over the last month. Getting ready to test these highs up here, potentially at 29 points per coin. Currently sitting at 27 points per coin. Doing very well on the year, bouncing back whole 100%. But here we are right now with a max supply of 1 million Smooth Love Potion. I don't know how many coins were outstanding at this all-time high here, but you can see in September of 2021, it had a $269 million market cap. It's basically only going to double to get to that level. Okay, we are currently sitting on a $100 million market cap, the highest that we have ever seen. 270 million. We could basically double in price to equal the all-time high market cap. Now back here with the $1 million market cap and those much higher prices is because there were very, very few coins outstanding. So September of 2021, right? Instead of reaching 7 cents, we're going to reach half a cent to equal the same market cap value. So you got to keep that in mind, okay? With the total coins outstanding and new coins potentially being able to be minted every single day, that's what I would watch out for, is a lower price, is unlimited dilution can essentially happen in Smooth Love Potion. But today's gains, dude, today's gains are solid. Going from a $90 million market cap up to 116, currently sitting at $108 million market cap. Today's gains look phenomenal there. Federal Aviation Administration all day long. It's higher because the total liquidity is lower, about 85,000 total. So my liquidity I provide is almost around 12 to 13% of the total liquidity. I get a good chunk of the fees because of it. Brian, that's actually awesome, man. That's actually awesome. So 4.2%, dude. I hope you keep ripping that for more than a year, man. Didn't Blaze move away from Shib? So the famous ones in Bender. I believe Blaze did move away from Shib, but then after being away for like a month or 2 months and they saw their volume drop dramatically, I believe they moved back. And I don't know if they've been with Shib since, but I believe they tried to move back and try to like make amends with the community. But yeah, Blaze is currently sitting at a $1.5 million valuation, and it's doing about $3,000 over the last 24 hours, which isn't bad at all. But this is a pretty tough decline here, dude. I don't know what this decline would have been off of, but yeah, this is tough. Going from about $1,000 a day, and then somebody selling like $38,000 worth of Blaze in a single transaction to rip the volume up and tank the price. This looks like Paul Zone, man. 2.3 points down to 17 points. Looks like Paul Zone right here. Trying to bounce back a little bit from those low levels, but I don't know if Blaze burns Shib anymore or not. If you go to their website, see if they still mention Shiba Inu coin. So they've burnt 12 billion Shib, which is great. But I don't know burn chart. Okay. So it seems like the last burn that they did was October 7th. October 7th, they burnt 11,339,000 Shib. So if they haven't burnt anything in over a month, I don't know if they're going to be burning anything else or not, guys. The last Shib burn was October 7th, so just keep that in mind. You guys can see it on their website right there. I don't know if they still focus on Shib or not. I think Ethereum will eventually not be used. It's expensive than other gas tokens that have cheaper gas. Bender. It is a possibility that people move over and either just build layer 2s or move to completely different blockchains altogether. But it's almost the same thing as saying, do I think Bitcoin will ever stop being used? No. I think it's already made such a name for itself that it's going to be nearly impossible to stop the use. And there are so many tokens built on Ethereum that if people just stopped using Ethereum, I mean, it would crumble such a huge portion of the cryptocurrency market that it's hard to believe right now, right? So that's the way I think about it, man. Bitcoin's expensive as well, but people continue to use that. Let's see. Shiba has so many back holders. It will never moon again. I sold at the top. Waiting for meme coin now and Pepe. Alex, man, if you sold at the top, congratulations, dude. That is incredible. I would be concerned about a jump that high, creating a false expectation that it is going to do well. It would be the company dumping its own shares into the stock market. Crochet for beginners. Are you talking about Smooth Love Potion? Or AMC? Movie theater does not look like it's doing well. No, AMC is not doing well right now. AMC's in a massive amount of debt, dude. AMC's not doing well. Any news on Shib the Metaverse? I paid ETH for that. If I paid ETH for that, I'd be really upset. Dude, no news whatsoever on Shib the Metaverse, right? So they're still trying to sell lands, and every now and then their Twitter accounts post about Shib the Metaverse lands and stuff. Marcy Jastro is like extremely inconsistent on Twitter. She'll tweet something like she's going to some conference to have some major important meeting about the Shib Metaverse, and then she'll go silent forever. And then she'll tweet something like, yeah, I need to engage the Shib community to make sure you guys are still paying attention. And then she'll disappear forever. So no, I don't know where they are in terms of Shib the Metaverse progress, or if they expect like another 10 years before the Metaverse is ready to be played. I really don't know where they're at with it. Where Farmy, dude? I don't know where Farmy's at today. Let's see. Oh, Farmy is like a scar on my mind, man. Farmy's actually doing okay. Farmy's up 50% over the last 3 weeks. Bouncing back up above that $1.50 mark today. So the fact that it broke back up above this resistance is like the best move that Farmy has made, and probably since it jumped from here, $3 post split levels to $9 post split levels. This is the best Farmy has performed since then, man, with a 50% gain over the last 3 weeks. The market is so strong that even Farmy is seeing gains. That is nuts, dude. They burned 12 billion, not million. 12 billion total, I think you're saying, Gary. 12 billion total. But I was talking about this last burn right here. I was talking about this one. Well, now it shows 0 right there. No, this is the one. Okay. So I don't even know where that number came from now because this number is different. Okay, well, on October 7th, they burned 67,982,733. I don't even know what number was scrolled over a minute ago because none of these numbers are the number that I read. So they burned 67 million on October 7th there. The total number, you're right, is the 12 billion right here. But I was talking about this number down here, and I don't even know where it went because I read a completely different number, but now when I scrolled over, it was different there. They've been selling an awful lot over the last 6 months. You're talking about Blaze, man. I think Shiba Metaverse is gonna bomb. Too many other metaverses out there, and your avatar is not a Shiba. Yeah, dude. And Giovanni, your avatar has to wear John Richmond clothes. There's a lot that going on with the Shib Metaverse, dude. That, yeah, I don't know, man. I would honestly, I'd rather use a quest and learn how to play the piano than walk around Rocket Pond or whatever the heck that place is called and, you know, meditate in the temple. I don't know. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Glad to have you in here, man. Don't trust anything Levi's involved in. He's a shyster supreme. Shyster, man. I love that word. You gotta roll, Clay Bro fam. End of the season farm stuff. Gonna be safe and be happy. Absolutely, guys. Ship the rest. It doesn't even look good in my opinion. Yeah, Bender. Not in mine either. Nonetheless, it is 5:01, guys. Get your names in the chat right now. We're gonna do some shout outs. We will be back this evening with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Listen, guys, I honestly, I can't thank you enough for all the support that you guys provide. Watch the videos, put them on loop. Views are down drastically right now. Go out there, check. I gotta plug it now since we're here. Go out there and check out what hoodie you guys are gonna ask for Christmas. Put it on your Christmas list. If you guys want some pillows, you get some good stuff out there, man. But make sure to go check that stuff out. Do not click on the orange ones. The orange ones are bad. Amazon's trying to scam me on those. I'm almost positive of it. But make sure to go check out all of the bro merch. We'll do these shout outs and we will be back, man. Gary, see you later. Brian Searing turning gray. Was he gray at the beginning of the live stream? Brian, Tim, Giovanni, Tim, Moji. We got Dark Bro, Nick F. Good afternoon to you. Gary, enjoy your afternoon, man. Moji, Brian, see you later. Tim, see you later. Bender, Gary, forgot my cup. Peace out to you as well, man. Later, everyone. Later, SD. Next level, see you later. Old Rounder, Gary, Suzuki, Bender. All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Tim, I was literally getting ready to click, dude. I was sitting here and clicking through some other screens, getting ready to click on that. But Tim coming through with a green name, and of course, I gotta say thank you for it. Suzuki, grabbing that green name, man. Tim, thank you very much for that. Appreciate all of you guys. Shoutouts to Bender, Suzuki, to Famous Ones, Crypto Sicko, Brian Searing, man. Tim, see you later. Not Nice, Tim, Suzuki, Will Major, Tim, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.